Hey ups ladies and gentlemen, it's Yorkshire Fettle back again. This time no finagling or fettling, just a bit of faffing. Subject today, if you can bear with me, is plywood furniture. Now why would I say plywood furniture? A few years ago I had a look at MDF and chipboard and I thought surely there's a better way, surely. Look at the complex builds of chipboard furniture. All little faffings, fixings and tools you need to build them. I thought that's just a little too bit complex. Why do you need a book that thick with instructions on how to put a piece of furniture together? So I thought, change the material. I really do like plywood. And I thought, how can I keep it simple to assemble? So I thought, let's keep it down to a couple of tools. And there we go, just 2 spanners to put together furniture. And here is a very basic table, just to show you how easy it is. 4 pieces of timber, 2 studs, a very short space of time, assemble and tighten together, job done. This one can be a side table, it can also be a buffet. There you go, as simple as that. The design I came up with is modular. You can use the similar kind of holes and slots to produce many different pieces of furniture, from the little side table I showed you, a little stool, to shelving units. You can put these in here, no problem at all. 3, 4, 5, as many shelves as you like and as wide as you like, it's up to you. So it's these pieces, the slots in these pieces, any combination of different studs lengths you need, and still only 2 tools to put it together. Make yourself a bench, make yourself a buffet, make yourself a longer seat if you wish. There's just no end of combinations. Just let me know what you're thinking. If any ideas of your own, let me know, see if we can make them. If you're a manufacturer out there who'd like to get involved in these things, well, feel free to contact me. Surely somebody somewhere must be interested in this kind of furniture. Following this short piece is half a dozen different designs I came up with and actually manufactured. Give them a look at, tell me what you think, give me a bit of feedback, that's always useful. If you've got any ideas of your own, you'd like something making, just let me know. And just right at the end of the vid is a quick showing on how to assemble a side table.